How to make your Facebook profile public. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will learn how we can make our Facebook profile public. So without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. If you want to make your Facebook profile public because you might have locked it and set it to private, you want to open up Facebook and just go to your profile page from the very top left. And what you can see is I have a private profile because it says that you locked your profile. So if you want to unlock it, what you have to do is tap on the three dots icon that you can see over here, and you can see the option called unlock profile. So just tap on it, and when you tap on the unlock profile button, you'll be able to see these options. So you can tap this little unlock button here, and when you do that, you'll be able to unlock your Facebook profile in this case and make it a public account once again. So this way you can go ahead and then unlock your Facebook profile. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.